2026 national budget, ang proposed unprogrammed appropriations sa NEP ay humigit kumulang 250 billion pesos. Higit na mas mataas sa 2025 NEP proposal sa unprogrammed appropriations. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not fiscal prudence, it is fiscal abuse. When we examine the details of the 2026 NEP, we see allocations that are not contingencies at all, but big-ticket, pre-planned programs. Ilan dito ang 80.86 billion pesos for strengthening assistance for government infrastructure and social programs. Another 97.3 billion pesos for foreign-assisted projects. Another 50 billion pesos for the revised AFP modernization program. 6.7 billion pesos for health emergency allowances, among others. Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleagues, these are clearly programmed obligations that should have been placed under the regular budget, not hidden